But at this time, we're going to be presenting some award to some people in our midst. So please listen to your name. You might be called. So Mr. Awopega, brother, do the honor for the first person.
Mr. Wale Olaiton.
Mr. Wale Olaiton, let us appreciate him. He was our ex-interim president of this association, Caretaker Committee 2013 to 16. You're recognized, thank you. Photo with the president. Wale.
Well, we have Mrs. Osede Adetifa.
Ìyáàfin Adetifa, another caretaker committee from 2013 to 2016. Kò ní rẹ̀yìn o. Coincidentally or ironically, it's the husband that is shaking and awarding. So deserving. Thank you.
The next person is Mr. Afolabi Akinola.
Mr. Afolabi Akinola.
Caretaker Committee 2013 to 2016.
Mr. Akinola is very versatile. All in all, able secretary. Thank you for your service to the community. You are doing really well.
The only Adetola Adeoye,
Assistant Treasurer of the association. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ọkọ òyìnbó. Ọkọ Ayaba. Well done, Tola. Thank you very much. Thank you, Tola.
And we have Mr. Lopeye Oyekanmi.
Lopi. At the time, Lopeye was the youngest Yoruba member. Welcome. Thank you, Lopeye, for what you do, for appreciating your heritage. Good man.
In absentia,
Onijawa nìkan.
we have in absentia Mr. Dolapo Oyekanmi.
Assistant Youth Coordinator of the Association, Lopoye, would you take that for Dolapo? Thank you.
Mr. Tony Abbas, can you collect for Adeoye, please?
Mr. Tony Abbas, no, Tolu will collect it for Mr. Abioye. Tola, I beg your pardon. Tola, come and take for Mr. Abioye is in Singapore, so. Adeolu Abioye. It's funny that these people that are collecting the awards, their friends or family are collecting as well. It just ran in the family. That's true.
Mr. Abiola Falayajo.
Do we have anybody from Ijesha to collect for Falayajo? Any Ijesha here to collect for Falayajo? No one. That's all right.
Okay.
We'll keep it for him.
Okay. Now we go to Meritorious Award to our ex-leaders of association. Those people that started the journey and they have developed it up to the extent to which the present executive took over. And the first person I'm going to Okay.
So can we please get our special guest, Miss Pastor Brian Eve, to come and do the honors?
For Meritorious Leadership Award is Mr. Bola Ogushola.
Mr. Ogushola.
Congratulations, sir.
Ẹ kú àgbà, ẹ bá wọn ya fọ́tò.
Still on Meritorious Leadership Award, we have Mr. Femi Akinola.
Oga Femi is our DJ. I remember the last one of the meetings that you coordinated as the president of the association then at the park. You've done really well. Thank you.
Wow. To the well-deserved Dr. Moses Adepoju. Dr. Moses Adepoju, Meritorious Leadership Award.
This is one of the co-founder of many Nigerian and Yoruba associations in Victoria. He's done really well. Thank you, sir.
Wow. Mr. Olawale Olaitan, Meritorious Leadership Award. A round of applause for Mr. Olaitan, please.
Mr. Olaitan, you might need a truck to take your awards home tonight. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
For the one and only Professor Kolawole. Meritorious Leadership Award.
Please appreciate our Baba for us. So,
Round of applause for him.
thank you, sir, for what you do. Appreciate you.
Well, there's leadership, there is exemplary.
So we might release Pastor Brian now to have a seat. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it.
We are progressing to Exemplary Supporters Award.
Oh, Mrs. Adioba, please can we call you to help us to present this award, please, to the
The
rest?
first exemplary award goes to Mr. Toyi Abbas, the coordinator of all social activities. A round of applause for the care guides. Come on!
Oh, it's just around the corner. Coincidentally, our mama no look for me. You're doing well. You're doing well, Mr. Abbas.
Mrs. Wumi Oyekanmi. Exemplary award for Mrs. Wumi Oyekanmi.
Mama, à ń pè yín o.
Ẹ dá wa lóhùn o.
These mama's children, they've served and they continue to serve the association. Both your children, your in-laws, and all of them. Thank you very much, ma, for believing in this. Welcome.
Well, I have the last exemplary support award for Dr. Akinshola Akibiyi, and Mrs. Temi Ajayi will be collecting it on his behalf.